problem?
I really need to see it. Now I know why you didn't want me to see this.
Subtitled can explain.
No need, ma'am. Everyone looks hideous in their driver's license photo.
So, how was your date with Geneva?
It was fine, except that guys kept coming up to her and saying, "Why are you dating this clown?"
I guess it's to be expected with that hair.
I was wearing a hat. But the hair, the pie in the face, it's all gonna pay off when Geneva gets the next issue. Hey, Geneva, something just came in the mail for you.
A Ditz magazine came at night? For the second time today? And the third monthly issue this month? Cool!
This headline takes no chances and is very clearly about me. Kiss a guy who's a pain in the butt.
Ooh, this sounds like good advice. Kiss a guy who has a pain in the butt.
Who has a pain in the butt? That's another typo. This is terrible. I don't have a pain in my butt. My butt feels amazing.
I guess you'll have to do something about that if you want Geneva to kiss you.
Injure my butt? But my butt is my best feature. Other than my pouty lips, my sultry eyes, and my legs that go on for days.
I'll let you off with a warning this time, but try and drive a little faster. And show us men in blue a little respect.
I will, officer. I promise. Great! We lost the pig!
Oh, come on!
I meant the piggy bank. It got away.
I did? I will catch pig. It is still hard.
Oh. Well, I guess it's just the two of us now. No one between us. Or beside us. Where are you going?
I can't drive without a licensed adult in the car. You know, it's such a beautiful night. Why don't you and I forget the car and just...
Walk?
take the bus?
Excuse me, pardon me, just need to...
I think we ran over something.
Ah, my butt! Thank you!
Okay, I got here first. But how am I gonna get these coins out of here without anyone noticing? This is perfect! No one will know where the coins are. Uh-oh.
Thanks for coming on the stakeout with me. Too bad tonight was such a waste of time.
Maybe not.
Piper, you doing that just now made me realize something.
Really?
Something I should have realized a long time ago.
Yes, you should have.
I should stop wearing shirts with collars. They're such a hassle. Anyway, thanks for fixing it for me. You're a real friend.
Friend. Great.
Well, I guess we'll never figure out where those pigs go at night.
Actually, I think we will.
Someone's under there! Whoever it is must be the thief! We're gonna finally find out who's responsible for all this. Candace?
Candace.
I mean, yes, it's me, Candace!
Of course it's you! We have to tell Mrs. Bubkus we caught the thief.
And now we got all the kids' money back.
done this one. Must belong to a Mescatanian kid.
Good morning, Geneva. Notice anything special about me?
I do! You forgot to wear pants over your diaper.
This isn't a diaper, it's a butt cast. Although, since I can't take it off for 6 weeks, it'll also serve as a diaper. The point is, I have a pain in the butt.
Really? Ditz magazine says I should kiss someone who has a pain in the butt. Isn't that weird?
If you think that's weird, wait till you read what the next issue wants you to do.
Well, if Ditz magazine says I should kiss you, I guess I should kiss you.
Don't listen to Ditz. None of the tips in that worthless magazine work.
Really? Good to know.
Great! I took a pie, ruined my hair, jumped in front of a bus, and waxed my legs for nothing.
The magazine told you to wax your legs?
No, you did. So I'd look good for the swimsuit issue.
Oh, yeah.
Well, would you at least sign my cast?
If I have to. Get well soon.
That says get well goon.
Oops, I must have made a typo.
It was you. You changed all those headlines.
Yes.
If you're a fan of Ditz magazine, you should know about Fake Ditz. Each issue contains terrible advice, countless typos, and revolting cover models. Subscribe now and receive a new issue every few hours. The magazine is free, or pay just $14.95 not to receive it. Don't unsubscribe, and you'll also receive this special swimsuit edition.
I'm P. Everett Knickknack. The P stands for pay the $15. Trust me, it's worth it.